Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will continue with the chapter Trigonometric Functions of class 11. So in my previous video, we have learned some trigonometric functions and identities. Today we will learn few more formulas. We'll see now. First formula, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So all these are the formulas for cos 2x. So here cos 2x, this is the trigonometry function of multiple angles. We can call it as multiple angles. Okay. So the first formula is cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is equal to the same equal to cos 2x have another formula, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. This cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So now we will see how to derive these formulas. Derivation will help us to remember this formula. Okay. So the first one, cos 2x. So how we are going to derive the first formula? For that we will use the formula cos x plus y. In our last video we have seen what is the formula for cos x plus y. So cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So this is the formula for cos x plus y. So here in the place of y, so here we need 2x. So what we have to do? We have to replace y by x. Okay, so replace in this formula, replace y by x. You will get the value of cos 2x. So left side you will get cos of x plus x is equal to cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x. So in the place of y, wherever we have y, we are replacing y by x. So what is the left side? We have cos 2x is equal to, here if you see, cos square x minus sin square x. So we got the first result, that is first formula we got. So cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Now we will prove the second formula. For that, see here in second formula we have only cos square x. So what we have to do? We have to replace this sin square by cos square. So we know the identity. So identity involving cos and sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. From this, what is the value of sin square x? Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So here in the place of sin square we will substitute this value. So cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x. Now we will multiply with the minus sign. So cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. When you simplify these two, you will get 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos 2x value, we got the second formula, 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is the second formula. Now the third formula is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So here in this formula, if you see, there is no cos, only you have a sin. So what we have to do? We will take this formula, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. From this formula, we will replace cos square x in terms of sin square. So from the same identity, you know what is cos square x. So cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So in this place, in the place of cos square, we will substitute 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square minus sin square x, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So we got the next result, that is the third result, the third identity also we got, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now you see the last one is in terms of tan square. So you know that what is tan x? Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. So you should have a sin x by cos x expression, then only you can convert convert it into tan. So how will you derive that formula? We will see now. The same formula we will take now. So cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Okay. So this divided by, we can write this as cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1. Now what is this 1? We have the identity 1 in the place of 1. We can write cos square x plus sin square x. So we can write cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x plus sin square x. Now you see here we have to change this in terms of tan, that is sin by cos you should get. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Okay, so both the terms in numerator and the denominator we are going to divide by cos square. So cos 2x is equal to, listen here, when you divide by cos square you will get 1. Here sin square x by cos square x is tan square. Similarly in the denominator cos square x by cos square x is 1 plus tan square. So we got the fourth result, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. So this is the first formula, cos 2x. Now we will see sin 2x formula. What is the formula for sin 2x? So sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. So this is one formula. Next formula we have in terms of tan, that is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So these are the formulas for sin 2x. Now we will see how to derive these two formula. Okay. So for deriving this formula, first we will take sin x plus y formula. What is sin x plus y? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So this is the formula for sin x plus y. So sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now the same way, see here we need here 2x. So here what we have to do? We have to replace y by x. Replace y by x. Both left side and right side. So what we will get? Sin x plus x is equal to sin x into cos x plus cos x into sin x. Now here left side we will get sin 2x and right side you see here sin x cos x. This term is also sin x cos x only. So when you add you can write 2 sin x cos x. So this is the formula for sin 2x. So sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Now we will see the next formula, how to derive the second formula we will see now. From this equation, from this identity we will continue. Here we can write 2 sin x cos x we have, that we can write as 2 sin x cos x divided by 1. Again in the place of 1 we can write the identity, you know the identity sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This identity we will use. Now again the same what we have seen in the previous derivation, the same way here also you have to divide the numerator by cos square. Why cos square? Because here we have a tan x. You know the formula for tan x, sin x by cos x. So denominator should be cos x. That is why we are dividing by cos square x. So we can write sin 2x is equal to numerator when you divide by cos square x. You will get here cos square x divided by, here you will get sin square x by cos square x plus cos square x by cos square x. So what will happen here? These two will get cancelled. Here 1 cos x will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 2 numerator we will have 2 into sin x by cos x, that is tan x, divided by, here we have 1. So 1 plus, we can write it as tan square x. So sin 2x formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now we will see tan 2x formula. Next is tan 2x formula. Tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So this is the formula for tan 2x. Now we will see how to derive this. For that we will take the formula identity tan of x plus y. So this we have already seen. Tan of x plus y is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So this is the formula for tan of x plus y. Now here you replace, here left side you need tan 2x. So we have to replace y by x. So left side you will get tan of x plus x is equal to, right side also we will replace, wherever we have y we will replace by x. So tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x. Now we will simplify this. So tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x plus tan x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x is tan square x. So we got the result tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So we have seen here cos 2x, sin 2x and tan 2x formula we have seen. Next we have cos 3x, sin 3x and tan 3x formulas. Sin 3x, next formula, sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, so here we will see how to derive this. So we will start with the left side, that is sin 3x. So this sin 3x we can write as sin 2x plus x. So 3x we can split as 2x plus x. Again we will use the formula sin x plus y formula. So what is sin x plus y? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So this is the formula for sin x plus y. This formula we will use here. So sin 2x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. Now you see here sin 2x we have already got. What is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. So in this place we will write 2 sin x cos x, and here we have one more cos x plus. Now cos 2x value, actually you need everything in terms of sign. So cos 2x you have 4 formulas. Out of this you take this formula because we need all the answers in terms of sign. So in the place of cos 2x we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. Now we will simplify this, you will get the result. Okay, so 2 into sin, here you see cos square x. When you multiply these two you will get cos square x. Again cos square x, what is the, from the identity, what is the value of cos square x? 1 minus sin square x, because we need everything in terms of sin. So we can replace this as 1 minus sin square x. Plus here we will multiply. So sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now we will again simplify. So 2 sin x minus 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 2, here not sin square, sin cube. So sin cube x. Now we will simplify. Here sin x terms we can simplify. So you will get 3 sin x, and here sin cube terms, when you add these two you will get minus 4 sin cube x. So this is the formula for sin 3x. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So you have to find out some pattern to remember these formulas. Okay, so sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Next we will see cos 3x formula. So next formula, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So the same way you can derive the formula, how we have derived the formula for sin 3x, in the same way you can derive for cos 3x also. That is, you can express this cos 3x as cos 2x plus x, and then you have to use cos x plus y identity. Now the next one, last one is, so tan 3x formula, 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So this is the formula for tan 3x. So here also you can derive this formula by taking this tan 3x. You can write as tan 2x plus x. Again you have to use tan x plus y identity, and when you simplify, so here we can write tan x plus y identity. So what is tan x plus y? Is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. So this is the formula tan x plus y. So using this identity we will expand this, that is tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Now you see here, in the place of tan 2x we can write tan 2x value we have already derived, that is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So we can write 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x divided by, in the denominator also in the place of tan 2x we can write 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Okay, now we will simplify this. 1 minus tan square we will take LCM. Both numerator and the denominator we will take 1 minus tan square as LCM. So 2 tan x plus tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square is our LCM. This is numerator. Similarly, we will simplify the denominator also. Here 1 minus tan square x minus 2 into tan x, that is 2 tan square x we can write. And we will have the denominator as 1 minus tan square x. Now we can cancel these two and we will simplify this expression, that is 2 tan x plus tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now again we will simplify this. 2 tan x plus tan x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Actually this is the formula for tan 3x. So we have seen sin 3x, cos 3x and tan 3x formula. We are going to learn 4 important formulas. So these formulas are very important. Throughout many questions we will be using these formulas. Okay, so we will see what are the formulas. First one, cos x plus cos y. What is the formula for cos x plus cos y? Okay, so the answer is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y. So no other go, you have to by heart all these 4 formulas. Now the second formula is cos x minus cos y. So cos x minus cos y formula is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Similarly, you have formula for sin x plus sin y. Okay, sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y. Next is sin x minus sin y. So the fourth formula is sin x minus sin y, that is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So you have to by heart all the 4 formulas. So you can find out some pattern. See here, if you have cos and both are cos, then you will have a, if it is plus sign in the middle, you will have both cos here. If you have minus sign in the formula in the middle, then you will have a both sign and you will have a minus sign also. If you have a sin function, sin x plus sin y, then you will have a sin cos, and sin x minus sin y, then cos sin. So you have to by heart these 4 formulas. Next we have another set of formulas. Now we will see the next set of formula, that is 2 cos x cos y. So what is the formula? The reverse. Okay, so 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Next minus 2, second formula, minus 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Next is third one, 2 sin x cos y. So 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Now the last formula, 2 sin x, so 2 cos x sin y is equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So these four set of formulas, that is these 8 formulas, it's very important, you will be using in many questions. Now we are going to see some example questions based on these formulas. Okay. Now example number 14. Show that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So how to prove this? So for that, first we will take this 3x value. So 3x, you know that 3x we can write as 2x plus x. So we will find out tan 3x value. So tan 3x is equal to tan of 2x plus x. So here we will use which identity we can use here? Tan of x plus y. So what is tan x plus y? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, so using this identity we are going to expand this, that is we can write as tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Now you see here in the answer you have tan 2x, tan x, tan 3x, everything you have. So what you have to do, further you need not simplify this in the place of tan 2x and you need not substitute the value. We will simply cross multiply this. That is, when you cross multiply this, tan 3x into this expression, that is 1 minus tan 2x into tan x is equal to 1 into, that is tan 2x plus tan x. Now you see here whether we got the answer. No, we have to multiply the left side, tan x. So tan 3x into 1, that is tan 3x minus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Now you see here whether we got the answer or not. No. See here we need LHS, tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. So what we will do, we will take this expression alone to one side. So here it is minus, so we will take it to the other side. So you will get tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to, here what we have is tan 3x. These two expression we will bring it to this side. So we will have tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So this is what we have to prove. So this is the answer. Next question, example 15. Prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 into cos x. So here you see the left side expression you have to simplify and you should get the answer as root 2 cos x. So here we will start with the left side expression. So LHS equal to cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x. So now can you tell me which identity we have to use here? Just now we have seen cos x plus cos y identity. So what is cos x? In the place of x we have here pi by 4 plus x, and in the place of y we have pi by 4 minus x. So what is the formula for this? Cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So this is the formula, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So using this formula we will simplify this, that is 2 cos x. What is x here? Pi by 4 plus x plus y, that is pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. Okay, so cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2, that is pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. Okay, now we will simplify this. This plus x and minus x will get cancelled, and here if you see this minus pi and plus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4 will get cancelled. So what is the remaining terms? 2 cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 by 2, that is pi by 4. So you will, when you simplify, you will get here pi by 4 into cos. Here you see, here you have x. This minus and minus, it will become plus. So x plus x is 2x by 2, that is cos x. Okay, so here when you simplify, you will get cos 2x by 2. This 2 will get cancelled. So you will get cos x. Now, what is cos pi by 4 value? Cos pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45. So, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So, we can write here 1 by root 2 into cos x. Now, you can cancel this 2 and root 2. So, the answer is root 2 into cos x, which is our RHS. So, this is what we have to prove. Okay. So, example 16. Prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x is equal to cot x. So here we will start with the left side expression, that is cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x. So here you see which identity you will use here, both numerator and denominator. See here, numerator what we have is cos x plus cos y. So what is the identity cos x plus cos y? 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So this is the identity. Similarly, what is sin x minus sin y? Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So this is the identity. Okay, so using this identity we are going to simplify both numerator and denominator. So we can write 2 cos x plus y, that is 7x plus 5x. So 7x plus 5x by 2, that is 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12x by 2 is equal to 6x. Okay, so here we will have a 6x cos 6x into cos x minus y, that is 7x minus 5x by 2, that is 7x minus 5x is 2x. 2x by 2 is x. So we can write cos x divided by denominator. We will use the second identity, that is 2 cos, here also 7x plus 5x by 2, that is 12x by 2 is equal to 6x into sin x. 7x minus 5x is 2x. 2x by 2, that is sin x. If you see here, these terms will get cancelled, and what you have remaining, cos x by sin x, which is equal to cot x, that is our RHS. So this is how you have to prove. Now the next question. So next question, example 17. Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x by cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. So here you see the left side expression. We will start with the LHS expression, that is sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x. So here in the numerator we have 3 terms. So here which 2 terms you have to take together? You see here 5x plus x. 5x plus x is 6x. 6x divided by 2 is 3x. So what you have to do? You have to group the first and the third term. Okay. So why we are grouping this? Because we will get sin 3x. When you simplify these two, you will get sin 3x term, and the same sin 3x term you have in the second term also. So you can take common outside. So that is why we are grouping these two terms, that is sin 5x plus sin x minus 2 sin 3x divided by cos 5x minus cos x. Now here we will use the formula. What is sin x plus sin y? So sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So this is the formula. Now cos x minus cos y. What is cos x minus cos y? Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So this is the formula for cos x minus cos y. So in these two places we will substitute this formula, that is 2 sin x plus y by 2, that is 5x plus x, that is 6x. 6x divided by 2, that is 3x into cos x minus, that is cos 5x minus x is 4x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. So when you substitute this, when you use apply this formula, you will get 2 sin 3x into cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x. Now divided by denominator, we will use this formula. So minus 2 sin x plus y by 2, that is 5x plus x, 6x by 2, that is 3x into sin 5x minus x, that is 4x by 2 is equal to 2x. Now you see here, from the first two terms in the numerator, from the first two terms, this 2 sin 3x we can take common outside. Okay, so 2 sin 3x into, here we can write cos 2x minus 1 divided by minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x. Now you will see here how to simplify this. These two terms will get, these two will get cancelled, that is 2 sin 3x will get cancelled, and this minus sign we will take with the numerator. So what you will get, 1 minus cos 2x divided by sin 2x. Now you see here cos 2x and sin 2x, we have learned the formula. What is cos 2x? Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. From this, if you take this 2 sin square into this side, so 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So here you have 1 minus cos 2x in the numerator. In this place we will substitute this formula, 2 sin square x. Similarly, what is sin 2x formula? Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x into cos x. So these two formulas we are going to use in numerator and denominator. That is, in the place of 1 minus cos 2x we can write 2 sin square x divided by, here I can write 2 sin x cos x. Now if you see, this 2 will get cancelled and one sin term will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Sin x. Numerator we have sin x and denominator we have cos x. That is sin x by cos x is equal to tan x, which is our RHS. Okay. So this is how you have to, if there are 3 terms, you have to identify which 2 terms you have to take together. So today we have completed all the formulas and few examples. In the next video we will see exercise 3.3. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you, students.